How to attract the money you need. Many years ago, I met a young man in Australia who told me that his fondest dream was to become a physician. He was taking science classes and doing brilliantly, but he had no way to pay for medical school. His parents were both dead. To support himself, he cleaned doctors' offices in the local hospital, professional building. I explained to him that a seed planted in the soil attracts to itself everything it needs for its proper unfolding. All he had to do was to take a lesson from the seed and plant the required idea in his subconscious mind. Every night, as this young man went to sleep, he visualized a medical diploma with his name in big bold letters. He found it easy to create a sharp, detailed image of the diploma. Part of his job was to dust and polish the framed diplomas hanging on the walls of the doctor offices. He studied them as he cleaned them. He persisted with his this visualization technique every night for about 4 months. The one of the doctor whose office he cleaned asked if he would like to become physician assistant. The doctor paid for him to attend a training program when he learned a wide variety of medical skills, then gave him a job as his assistant. He was so impressed with the young man's brilliance and determination that he later helped him through medical school. Today, this young man is a prominent doctor in Montreal, Canada. This young man's success came because he had learned the law of attraction. He discovered how to use his subconscious mind the right way. This evolved making use of age-old law that say, having clearly seen the end, you have willed the means to the realization of the end. The end in this case was to become a physician. He was able to imagine, see, and feel the reality of being a doctor. He learned, he lived with the idea. He sustained it, nourished it, and loved it. At last, through his visualization, the idea penetrated the layer of his subconscious mind. It became a conviction. That conviction then attracted to him everything that was needed for the fulfillment of his dream.